Finish tile edges at walls or open transitions with a clean trim that protects edges and matches the room style. Start by choosing the right profile for the edge, such as a bullnose tile or a dedicated trim piece that matches the floor tile thickness. If you use a trim strip, select one made for wet areas and cut it to length with a hacksaw or a miter saw fitted with a non-ferrous blade, then set it on thinset so its top is flush with the finished tile surface. For transitions to different floor types, measure both materials and set the transition so the higher surface butts into a small reveal or a reducer strip that allows a gradual step and prevents a trip hazard. When running tile to vertical walls, leave a small grout joint of about 1/8 inch to allow for movement. Then fill it with grout where tile meets tile, or use a mildew-resistant silicone caulk where tile meets drywall or painted surfaces. For exposed edges, consider using a stone or metal edging profile that matches the tile thickness and attach it with thinset and mechanical anchors if needed for heavy stone. Always dry fit 3 times. Check heights, sight lines, and gap widths before final adhesive so cuts can be adjusted and the finished edge reads straight and even. Common mistakes are cutting tiles too short, which leaves a visible gap, overfilling the joint with thinset, which prevents a uniform grout line, and failing to allow for movement, which leads to cracked grout or tiles. If a tile is cut too short, recut the piece, adding back the correct measurement and dry fit before setting. When thinset overflows into the joint, remove excess with a margin trowel and clean with a damp sponge before it skins over. For movement issues, include a slip sheet under large field areas and use flexible caulk at perimeters to absorb expansion rather than rigid grout. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects and services so we can help you find someone for edge finishing or tile transitions. We also host an active discussion community where users and professionals share tips, photos, and product recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and improve results.